Good morning and thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Thursday, May 2nd. Seeing some upper level cloudiness out there this morning as well as warm temperatures, and we're going to continue to see well above normal temperatures for the next couple of days as we have a bit of a summertime pattern set up, and then we'll get some rain this weekend and a return to more seasonable temperatures early next week. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday, we did see a very warm day for the more interior and southern portions of the mid-Atlantic, with areas down near Richmond and the Tidewater seeing temperatures almost to 90 degrees. Here along the coast of Wallops, we got a little bit of a more onshore flow that helped to give us just a temperature of 75. Other locations across the area were a little bit cooler as well, seeing temperatures around 70 degrees up towards our north. Lows this morning were fairly mild across the region, especially down in the Tidewater, where they just got below 70 degrees for their low. Here at Wallops, we got to a low of 62, and then areas around the nation's capital got a low to 60. The cool spot was Dover with a low of 52. Already seeing things warm up fairly nicely for most locations this morning, with most spots reaching temperatures in the mid-70s. That warm front that passed north of the region that helped put us in that warm sector still isn't quite up there towards Dover and Baltimore, as they're still seeing temperatures near 60 degrees as of 9 a.m. Taking a look at our upper level winds this morning, we are seeing southwesterly winds across the entire column, and pretty much seeing some constant wind speeds too across the column, seeing those wind speeds at 30 knots or at 1,000 feet, and then remaining between about 30 to 35 knots all the way up to 25,000 feet. Seeing a low freezing level this morning just below 12,000 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis, we do have some a Bermuda high pressure system helping to give us that southwesterly flow, as well as a weak front across far northern portions of the Delmarva. This setup's going to pretty much remain the same for the next couple of days here, giving us a nice warm southwesterly flow. Today does look like it's going to be the warmest day in the extended outlook, expecting temperatures in the upper 80s here at Wallops, possibly seeing some spots hit 90 across the more warm portions of the Delmarva, maybe even seeing some convective showers mainly to the north of Wallops this afternoon and evening. So taking a quick look at our surface map there, you can see the southwesterly flow has really overtaken the region. Still seeing those cool temperatures, though, across our nation's capital and towards far northern Maryland, as we still got that front kind of lingering across the area that hasn't quite gotten into the warm sector for there yet. We are going to continue to see upper-level clouds throughout the day streaming overhead, and then possibly a slight chance of an isolated shower this afternoon and evening. So taking a look at our forecast charts today, going to be pretty much seeing a similar surface pattern for the next couple of days here. We've got that quasi-stationary front that's moved well north of the area for today, and that will be the same tomorrow with that southwesterly flow, giving us some good warm advection as well as increasing the humidity. We are going to be getting just a little bit of upper-level energy streaming over the mid-Atlantic later this afternoon. We should be seeing some convection and showers and storms develop just near D.C. or just to the west of D.C., and then those will make their way eastward across the bay, impacting the central and northern Delmarva. It just looks like some light or some scattered showers and then some isolated thunderstorms accompanying that. But it doesn't look like there's a real good chance of it making it as far south as here at Wallops. Still going to be holding about a 20% chance of an isolated shower between 8 p.m. and midnight, but the better chances will be around Salisbury and areas to the north. For Friday morning, going to be still seeing some mostly cloudy skies. This still shows a little bit of precipitation, but this is way overdone, so not going to be. We're not going to be seeing a very mild low tomorrow with a low of only 65, with continued southwesterly flow, and then expecting another warm day tomorrow into the lower 80s, and here at Wallops possibly the mid to upper 80s across the more interior portions of the Delmarva. And then on Saturday, we're going to get some upper-level energy increasing, and we are going to get a weak low develop along with that continued stationary boundary. That boundary is going to move its way across the Delmarva, And with the increased moisture as well as some upper level energy increasing as well, it does look like we are going to be seeing some showers and thunderstorms develop in the afternoon and evening hours pretty much across the entire area. So it does look like some pretty good chances by Saturday evening we'll be seeing some storms here at Wallops as well as most locations across the Delmarva Peninsula. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, going to be seeing that high reach around 87 degrees this afternoon, and then still seeing a mild low tonight. Low only expected to get down to around 65. Winds are going to be southwesterly around 9 to 14 knots with a slightly higher gust throughout much of the day today. Then after sunset, seeing those winds shift a little more southerly, becoming 5 to 10 knots. And then after midnight, they are going to become variable around 3 to 8 knots, and then returning south-southwesterly at 5 to 10 knots by mid-morning Friday. Seeing just only a 20% chance of an isolated shower here at Wallops between 8 p.m. and midnight this evening. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, basically just going to be seeing some upper level cloudiness throughout the workday today. Could see a few clouds near 5,000 feet pop up in the afternoon across the area. And then not much going to change tonight either. Still going to be seeing a scattered deck near 5,000 feet, scattered mid-level deck near 10,000, and that continued cirrus deck as we go towards tonight and into early tomorrow morning. For tomorrow, going to be looking at another partly cloudy and warm day with continued slightly humid conditions with a high of 81 expected. Friday night, going to be partly to mostly cloudy and mild. Can't rule out a very slight chance of a isolated shower Friday night. It looks like there is going to be some showers and storms on the other side of the bay, and can't completely rule out one of those isolated showers making its way over here to Wallops. But right now that looks like 15% or less chance of that happening. But it is going to be a very mild low Friday night. If we get that southwesterly flow continue to ramp up, could even see a low warmer than that. But right now we are forecasting for a low of 67, and it's going to be humid as well. And that humidity is going to be in advance of our weather system on Saturday. It's going to be mostly cloudy throughout the day Saturday. Warm with a high of 80 once again, so still well above average. And as we get that front across the area, as well as some upper level energy, that's going to help to pop off some showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening across the area for our Saturday. Taking a look at our extended outlook, you see we're going to remain in the 80s for the next couple of days here. Today being the warmest day, around 87 degrees. Tomorrow is going to be 81 degrees under partly cloudy skies with that those slightly humid conditions. So looking at a little bit of a taste of summer here for the next couple of days. Then Saturday we are going to start to see those showers and storms impact the region. Still looking at a very warm day with a high of 80. Sunday, that system is going to be kind of slow to transverse the Delmarva and move offshore, and so Sunday still going to be expecting chances of showers and thunderstorms pretty much throughout the entire day. There's still a little bit of a question of the timing and strength of the impulse that's going to be bringing us those showers and thunderstorm chances Sunday, but we will start to see those temperatures decrease, expecting a temperature of 76 degrees on Sunday. And then Monday through Wednesday we'll finally have some good high pressure start to build in over the mid-Atlantic, and that'll help to really dry things out and return us to a little bit more seasonable temperatures, expecting a cooler day under cloudy to mostly cloudy skies from Monday, and with highs only in the mid-60s. We'll get our lows returning to normal, only expecting lows down to the mid-50s, and then seeing a very pleasant Tuesday and Wednesday with highs in the mid to upper 70s under partly cloudy skies. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.